Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl at Target Trading Academy with today's Micros Market Recap. It is September 6th, Tuesday, just after the New York close here. Let's get right into it. We just had that 3-day holiday, so yesterday, even though there was some participation, we'll just combine it in with Fridays. But starting us right off here, micro oil, we opened inside of Friday's range, pretty much at that bottom range, and we had immediate buying. And they just could not penetrate above this 87.90-ish mark. Once, twice, 3 times stuffed, 3 winners. And then they just had a tough time on the other end at that HVA edge. And you can see how well it just bounced back and forth along this area here. So tons of opportunities for our students there. Again, these levels, these HVAs are drawn the night before the next day's trading activity. So keep that in mind. These weren't drawn during the opening of the market or just before it. These were drawn a whole day or evening before, ready for that night, early morning, and the pit. So we have ultimately finished down from Monday's little shenanigans and down from Friday's as well. Now, taking a look at gold here. Gold also opening inside of its range from Friday, had a move down, sideways consolidation. You can see, though, they had quite a bit of participation at these HVA levels throughout the day here in micro gold, ultimately finishing net down below Friday's range. So gold did go lower. Same with the oil. Once more, these levels are given out the night before. I can't stress that enough. Equities, we're going to ignore what happened on Monday. Again, no one was really there to have any participation, but we did open inside of Friday's range, had a run up to that HVA edge, and then sellers just kicked it in the high gear and just drove this down, giving 1 opportunity, 2 opportunities, so it's 3 total, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tons of opportunities today, and then even more so throughout the rest of the day. You can see it just, they had this defined area, and they just decided, you know what? After we made those lows, test those highs, and they could not break them. So they made another run down to potentially test those lows. They didn't even reach the low before they got turned around, and you can see that it just got more consolidated as the day went on. So they had range extension, try for a recovery, rejected, try to make a new low, rejected. And so if you've got these consolidating moves, these edges are just holding up even better because it just goes sideways, and these are just those speed bumps that they got to get through. And if they don't have that momentum to make new highs or lows, well, we're just going to go sideways. And that's exactly what we did, hitting off those walls for the rest of the day in the ES, ultimately finishing that down in that market. NASDAQ, similar story. Just scroll back here for you. Monster short there at the top of that HVA edge. Again, just getting that high and low. And they couldn't even test that high like they did in the ES. And you can see they couldn't even test the low again. And they went and got consolidated real quick, real fast. So that's pretty much it. That happened today. We did see that consolidation. We traded today more of a Monday because reality of the matter is everyone's getting back to the markets today. No one really traded yesterday, even though it was a half day. So it's our typical quote-unquote Monday, even though it's Tuesday today. So we'll see if anything improves tomorrow. I don't mind the market going sideways. You get plenty of opportunities at those edges, especially for our students. Again, these edges, these HVAs are given out to our students the night before the next day's trading activity. So if that's something that interests you, or if you're interested in learning how to trade futures in general, feel free to reach out to us. If you want to see student submissions based off of these levels, based off the methodologies we teach in the room, go check out those win-loss break-even videos that Pat does each day for the day's trading. Again, feel free to reach out to us. You can find our page on Facebook. We are Target Trading Academy, or go to our website at targettrading.co. Again, that's targettrading.co. Get in touch with a representative at either location. They'll gladly show you into the rooms, so you'll be able to see what we do for yourselves, and you'll see that why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you there.